Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SoundCloud login problems. Account access restored step by step clearly. Open the SoundCloud app or go to SoundCloud.com and make sure the page loads without errors. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Close SoundCloud completely and reopen it to clear temporary glitches. Confirm you are entering the correct email address or username linked to your SoundCloud account. Type your password slowly and ensure caps lock is off to avoid hidden typing mistakes. If you forgot your password, tap or click Forgot Password and enter your account email. Open your email inbox and spam folder. Then use the SoundCloud reset link to set a new password. Create a strong new password and avoid reusing old passwords that may be blocked for security. Try logging in again and wait a few seconds if SoundCloud is rate limiting repeated attempts. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook login, choose the same method you used when you created the account. On iPhone with Apple ID, confirm you are signed into the same Apple account in device settings. If login loops or freezes, clear the browser cache and cookies for SoundCloud.com. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, then clear cookies and cache. If you use the mobile app, update SoundCloud from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Restart your phone after updating to refresh system processes that can block sign-in. Disable VPN or proxy services because they can trigger security checks and prevent login. Check the date and time settings on your device and set them to automatic for proper authentication. If you see an incorrect password, warning, repeat the reset process and try a different new password. If you see a too many attempts message, wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. If you get a verification code, enter it promptly and request a new one if it expires. Look for any SoundCloud status issues by searching SoundCloud status and confirm there is no outage. Try a different browser or use an incognito or private window to rule out extension conflicts. Turn off ad blockers or script blockers temporarily because they may block login scripts. If your account is locked or limited, check your email for security notices from SoundCloud. Go to SoundCloud Help Center and use the account access or login form to contact support. Include your profile URL, the email you used, and screenshots of the exact error message if possible. If you changed your email recently, try logging in with the old email and then update it in account settings. Once you regain access, enable any available security options and save your login method to avoid repeats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.